here's the next project. Got a crack right here. And it looks like it stops right here, but I don't know if you can see it. There's a stress fracture all the way to here. So you can barely see it, but it's there. I gotta get some developer and spray it on there to see how far, if it goes even further. So once I get the developer, then I'll fix the crack. But that's gonna be the project. Alright. Got it grooved out a little bit. Crack. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't seem like there's a crack under there, but if we look on top, I found a crack. I don't know if you can see it, but it looked like it's just a hairline fracture. But as I was grinding it, it just kept going deeper and deeper. So I might have to cut out and lift it, or at the edge, or bevel that out, then refill it in. But I'm almost assuming it's going to go all the way through, so I might just cut out a groove and just fill it all in just to make sure there's no stress or no additional cracking. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, I went ahead and drilled the hole to the end of the crack, relieve the stress, and I'm going to continue to weld past it a little bit. Once I get that, where that hole is, I'm going to draw a line right here, because I don't know if that crack from the top is reaching closer to the bottom, but anyways, I want to get it completely sealed up, so I'm going to grind a groove after I'm done welding this up. I'm going to follow that groove from that hole to the end, and I'll run a bead here just to make sure I got full penetration. It shouldn't leak. Nice little bead, bottom, come across the top, got it all filled in. Got some reinforcement on there. Built it up out here, so I sand it flat to make sure it's nice and even. Got it all completely filled in. Again, I had to drill that hole. That's completely solid, and I welded it back a little bit, or I started back here, filled it in, so on and so forth. So that is 100% sealed up, and then I'll sand that all off to make sure it doesn't interfere with your air pressure. Alright, so got it welded up right here, got it all nice and smoothed out. Let's be flat. That's all the way around. I left my bead here so you know it was welded. It's a solid bead. You will have to get this tire rebalanced just in case. For the most part, it should not leak.